Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you banana peel and cornstarch will make you 16 years old, the girl younger than ever and looking very young naturally with very simple ingredients. You remove wrinkles and fine lines and fill any wrinkles, any fine lines you do have naturally. The first ingredient we will need is banana, and we need to peel it. And with an aid of knife, scratch the banana peel like so. We need to mash it like so. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Then we need 1 lemon, and add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Then we need aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use the natural aloe vera gel instead. And add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And mix well all the ingredients. Once we mixed and combined all the ingredients, apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely. It's going to remove the wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Repeat this 2 times a week to get the best results ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.